Welcome to our channel. My name is Faizal and my friend here is Daniel.
Hello there.
So today we'll be showcasing a video game, a puzzle called 2048. So we will be explaining the rules, the algorithm and everything about the game.
Now, what we have here is a game that a 19-year-old Gabriele Cirulli coded in March 2014. It is an open source software with the MIT licensing. It is a 4x4, yes, a 4x4 grid, sliding block puzzle and a single player game.
What we found shocking was it was just a weekend project that he didn't expect it to go booming with 4 million visitors in less than a week. Now he was unwilling to monetize something that he didn't invent. This means that he didn't get any money from the game at all, no royalties, no fees, no whatsoever cost. So since it's an open source game, lots of addition is added into it, including a score leaderboard and an undo feature.
Well, this game is quite similar to Klotsky, where you have 10 wooden blocks and your goal is to get the blue blocks to the middle bottom of the grid.
Here is a preview video of Klotsky game and how you can win it in just 61 steps.
Now, we are here not to talk about the Klotsky, we are here to talk about 2048.
The ultimate goal of the game is simple, get a block to 2048, hence the name of the game.
Just one block?
Just one block, that's right Daniel, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Without further ado, let me get you a little further into the game, the rules. So basically, you can move 4 ways, up, down, right, left. All of the tiles will move accordingly and tiles with the same value will be combined.
Oh, don't forget, one thing to note is that a random tile will appear on an empty grid with a value of either 2 or 4. And if a move causes 3 consecutive tiles of the same value to slide together, only the 2 tile farthest along the direction of motion will combine.
Game ends when you're out of legal moves, in which your board is filled with tiles and there's no tiles that you can combine.
That's it?
Yep, that covers all what you need to know about 2048.
Enough of the silly talk. Show me how to win this game.
Simple enough, I'll teach you how to win this game step by step. First things first, you must pick a corner to keep your highest value tile. I call it the winning corner.
Really? The winning corner, huh?
Now, you must keep the highest value tile there at all times.
At all times. 100% of time. No exceptions.
Now, this is to avoid grids being stuck and allows for more space to work on building numbers.
So, if you got stuck grid, you get less space.
I'll be showing you my example here. As you can see from the earlier preview video, I've picked the bottom right corner of the grid as my winning corner.
Oh, that was you playing.
Of course it's me, Daniel. Now, when you pick that corner, it limits your movement from 4 ways to 2 ways.
Well, since you have picked the bottom right, that means you can't go up or left. What's next?
Next, what you want to do is to build the numbers right next to the winning corner, which is over here. And you're going to build the numbers here.
So basically, you must have all the bottom row occupied.
Now you're seeing where I'm going with the tile positioning. Next, you'll be expecting me to put the 4th highest number here, right? Wrong.
Wait, what? Don't do this to me.
Ha! I'm going to put my 4th number here, on top of the 3rd highest number. You see? You can build the 4th highest at the bottom right corner too, if you're skilled enough. But I'll cover the easy part. So you see, the BRC, the bottom right corner here, is hard to build the numbers. That place is most likely to be stuck. I call it the stuck corner. And after that, you can build to left or right as you wish.
Let me see some on the field actions.
As you wish, let's get on to it then.
Now, the game is not that easy, not that hard either. Any extra helpful tips?
So, you see the game is like a chess. Your disadvantage is the opponent's advantage. You make the wrong move, you lose. So here's a few tips from my own experience playing the game, as you need more training and you'll get the hang of it in a jiffy. Avoid getting 3 of the same value tile.
There's so many 2s and 4s.
No, I'm not talking about 2s or 4s or 8s, that's an easy fix. I'm talking about the high value tile, like 32, 64 and on.
Ah, yes. Things might happen as you go further into the game. From what I see, you don't build numbers on the topmost grid.
True, that is if you pick the bottom corners. Yes, avoid building numbers on the topmost grid. You wanna build the ground floor, the first floor, and the second floor, and on some cases, maybe you'll have to deal with it. So Daniel, from what you have heard, what do you understand about the game? Like, just give me a simple game review of it.
Well, Faizal, I can say that 2048 is like a building construction. Like there's a floor to it, a ground floor, and 3 level aboves. Well, if you build the 3 level aboves too high, it will fall and you will lose the game.
Good analogy right there. Anything else you'd like to add?
Well, I'd like to add that 2048 is actually a game that can teach us how to conserve and use space efficiently. Like you can win this game by just playing blindly. You need to reserve space to the highest value of the tile, and that's how you can win the game.
In relation with human problem-solving skills and knowledge, the game have the element of reflective. You need to have your own experience in the game and learn from your mistakes to avoid it in the future. Don't do your mistakes twice. I lost my first 2 games and won my 3rd game in nearly almost 50 minutes. Now, as you can see, after some time, you'll have your own intuition to solve the problem yourself.
What Faizal is trying to say is, know your enemy, counter your enemy, and use your enemy as your advantages rather than disadvantages. This game also emphasizes the informational problem-solving skills. The game's algorithm is already there. All you have to do is just combine pieces of information to solve this game.
That's right, Daniel. Remember to plan your move ahead and plan it wisely. Study and analyze the grid before moving. This will help you to save few steps and avoid trouble coming your way. That's all from us. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.